Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can reduce the header size in Shopify. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser on your personal computer and search for shopify.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, select the online store feature from the left side menu and you will be redirected to the website customization page. Here, click on the Customize button and wait for it to load. Now, select Header from the left side and a new side menu will appear. In this menu, scroll down a little bit and look for the padding feature. Now decrease the padding sliders and you'll notice that the header is being reduced. By adjusting the padding, you can effectively reduce the size of your header. This allows you to optimize the space on your website and create a more visually appealing layout. Simply select the preferred value and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can reduce the header size in Shopify. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.